All right. The sun got a little bit frisky today around like 11 a.m. my time, mountain time. Let's get into it. Start looking at some pictures here. Okay. Pause this real quick. So I'll fast forward on the one on the left over here. All right. Move it around. Boom. 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 So we'll back it up. Here's our big corona hole that had been moving through that spot that formed. The big ugly one that hit us, or that popped, that didn't hit us, but that popped off to the side a few days ago. And then boom, today, about 11 a.m. my time, it lasted 5 hours, almost right at us. Let's see. We'll look at it closer. I'll get us in there. This guy right here. Pop. Boom. Yeah. Still going, still going. Finally eased off. Little lasted about 5 hours. So that's coming up behind that coronal hole, which should be making contact with us any day now. If probably late tonight or early in the morning. This guy's stacking it behind it. Haven't seen it updated on the other screen, but let's see. We'll look at this one. Ready? Boom! Look at that. It actually looks like the moon spinning around underneath of us. Haven't seen that before. Look at that. That's neat. That's interesting. And then the sun, yeah. There's a lot going on in this image. We got 3 planets. We got the sun. We got a solar flare, CME. And we got the moon phasing right in front of us. That's wild. What a neat visual. I think they said X2. That might not be right. I can't remember. I've been listening to these guys all day and I've been stalling to see what we ended up with later on. They had visuals from the side and you can see it really kick out. This one's from Earth. We're looking from Earth straight into this one. Same with this one here. From Earth straight into this one. Is it spinning? No. But there's another satellite that it sits way off over here in the distance. Stereo A, and I can't seem to get the images of it yet. Still learning. All right. Look at it in another. $13, $14, $15, $16 now. Boom. Oof. Actually, that might even be it. That's shooting off to the side, yeah? Oof. Yeah. I don't know. A lot of energy in that one. Let's look at this one. A little bit zoomed out. 14, 15, 16, 17. Boom. Coming almost straight at us. One of the guys I watch is suggesting that we can expect to see an uptick in earthquake activity. Kind of both the guys seem to think that's how it works. Let's look at The spiral. I don't think the spiral has it updated yet. No, we're still way behind. This is the whole. And so right about here it should have popped. Boom. So it's not in here yet. It's not updated. And it says that stream should hit us a couple days. 19th. So I don't know, sometime tomorrow. Plus that'll be shooting off. This is the burst of when it happened. So this section right here, can we see all that? That is kind of what the average, the normal looks like. But watch over here when I start this, because it'll be boom. That's when it hit us. And it hung on. So this is X-ray, and yes, here you go, X-ray flux. So I got cooked with a little extra X-ray today. Radio frequency stuff. Man, it's pretty good. Boom. 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 And then absorption gets into the south. I don't know. We might be able to expect some aurora from this. If they stack up real nice, it could be pretty good. It might just be a little thing. Let's see. What else do I got here? I want to look at it from that red one again. Nope. This one. Is this straight on? Or is that pushing to one side? Man. No, that's not stereo. There's another version of this one I can't find right now. That's pretty good. I gotta get into really looking through this stuff to share it with everybody. So, yep, there we go. 131. Let's look at it in a brighter one. This one. Come on, load. Load, 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 load. Load, 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 load. Load, 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 load. Oh, the suspense. Take it to right before it happens. Oof. Yep. All right. That's all I really got for you. I'll look at it in this one again as I fade out. There was a little pop earlier too. Little action off to the limb. Little sparky spark, sputter, sputter. Sputter. And then it just says boom. And we are very insignificant compared to the size of that. Our whole planet fits in like this dot right there. Amazing. Good energy. I follow a guy, listen to a guy. He says that this kind of energy affects our dreams. So pay attention to your dreams tonight or in the morning. Curious. This also affects our moods when it happens. And my whole household got a little bit lit up about that time of day. Maybe. All right. Next stop. Yeah, cool. That's what I had for you. It was pretty neat. I wanted to let it have time to load up so we could see it all and go from there. But all right, Space Monkeys, have a great evening.